What's going on, everyone? It's John Wanguba, and welcome back to the channel. Now let's be real for a second. Who wouldn't want to be able to predict the next Bitcoin or Ethereum? Okay, maybe not predict, but at least make some smart, calculated moves in the crypto space. That's what we're diving into today. The top 5 beginner-friendly crypto trading hacks for 2025. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the crypto world or you've been dabbling for a bit and want to step up your game, these tips are designed to give you that extra edge. We're talking practical strategies that can make a real difference in your crypto journey. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Alright, let's get real for a second. You wouldn't jump into a car and just start driving without knowing the rules of the road, right? The same goes for crypto. Understanding market trends is like having a roadmap for the crypto highway. It's about identifying those patterns, those repeating cycles of ups and downs that happen in the market. Think of it like this. When everyone's talking about a certain coin and its price is skyrocketing, that's like driving in rush hour. Things are crowded, and you might make a move you later regret. But if you can spot the early signs of a trend, it's like cruising down an open road. You've got more time to react, to make calculated decisions. Trust me, mastering this one skill is like having a superpower in the crypto world. Now I know it's tempting to get caught up in the hype to think you'll turn a few $100 into millions overnight. But let's be real, that's about as likely as finding a unicorn riding a roller coaster. Setting realistic goals is absolutely crucial in the crypto world. It's about understanding that this is a marathon, not a sprint. Instead of trying to chase those crazy moonshots, focus on steady growth. Start small, set achievable targets, and gradually increase your investments as you learn and gain experience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful crypto portfolio. Chapter 3. Automated Trading Tools. Let the bots do the work. Look, I get it, keeping up with the crypto market is like trying to herd cats. It's chaotic, unpredictable, and you're always on edge. But that's where the magic of automated trading tools comes in. These bots are like having your own personal crypto assistant working 24/7 to make those trades based on the parameters you set. They take the emotion out of trading, which, let's be honest, can be a huge factor in making rash decisions. Plus, they can react to market changes much faster than any human ever could. It's like having a secret weapon in your crypto arsenal. Chapter 4. Diversifying your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one crypto basket. You know the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, in the world of crypto, that's basically the golden rule. Diversifying your portfolio is crucial for weathering those inevitable market storms. Instead of going all in on one or two coins, spread your investments across different crypto assets. Think of it like this. If one coin takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. It's about managing your risk and ensuring that your portfolio is built for the long haul. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Staying updated. Knowledge is power in the crypto game. The crypto space moves at the speed of light, with new projects, regulations, and trends popping up every single day. That's why staying updated is non-negotiable. Make it a habit to follow reputable crypto news sources, subscribe to industry newsletters, and join online communities. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the crypto world, it can be the difference between a winning strategy and getting left behind. Outro, level up your crypto game. So, there you have it, my top 5 crypto trading hacks for beginners in 2025. Remember, the crypto world can be a wild ride, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate it with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. And hey, let me know in the comments what your favorite hack is or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy trading.